How to make a bookmark folder. First, open up all the websites you use daily. Then click the three dots button, choose Bookmark, and click Bookmark All Tabs. Next, name your bookmark, for example, Morning Tabs or Daily Tabs. Then click Save. Once again, click the three dots button, click Bookmarks, and find the Morning Tab folder. Now drag it on top. Let's try it. Go to your Morning Tab folder, right-click, and choose Open All. You now have all your tabs ready to go. I hope that this is helpful, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Alissa Lifestyle Vlog, for more video tutorials. See you there!